Jai Gurudev students. Now we will see the third example of exercise 5.3. In an APs means here 1 to 10 problems they have given, and in the given in that problems somewhere they have given the value of A, D, AN, and we have to find the remaining values. For example, first problem I am going to see. We will see here they have given first term 5, D common difference 3, last term that is AN is equal to 50, and we have to find here N and SN. Okay, means here first of all we will use the formula of AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, because in this problem we are knowing the value of AN, that is 50, which is equal to A first term 5, and we don't know, and the value of D is 3. We will shift here, that is 5, 50 minus 5, which is equal to N minus 1 into 3. 3 we will take in a bracket. This is a 45, which is equal to N minus 1 into 3. 3 we will shift here, so it will goes in a multi division, that is divided by 3. Here is a N minus 1. So here we will get 15, which is equal to N minus 1. If we will shift here the 1, so what we will get, the value of N is equal to 15 plus 1 means 16. So the number of terms here we got as a 16. We have to find here Sn also. Now there are the two formulas of Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we can use that formula also, but here directly we will use because we are having the value of an. Okay, and we got here as a 16. So we have to find the sum of 16 terms. 16 divided by 2. What is the value of a? 5, and what is the value of an is 50. Okay, what we will get here, this is 8 into this is a 55, and we are going to get 8 5s are 40, carry 4, 8 5s are 40 and 44. So we will get here as 16, that is a sum of 16 term is equal to 440. In second problem they have given first term 7 and 8 13 is equal to 35. Okay, and we have to find here the value of a D and S13. So here we are having A13 value. A13 value is nothing but 35 given. What is the formula for A13? A plus 12D is equal to 35. The value of A given 7 plus 12D, which is equal to 35. 12D is equal to 35 minus 7, and 12D is equal to, this is nothing but a 15 minus 7 is a 8, and here is a 2 means 28. So value of a D which is equal to 28 by 12. So value of a D which is equal to 4 7s are 4 3s are, means here we will get the value of a D which is equal to 7 by 3. Okay. Now we have to find S13, means Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket a plus n formula we will use, because here S13 we have to find means the value of n is equal to 13. Okay, the first term they have given 7 and A13 value they have given, A13 is a 35. So 13 divided by 2, 7 plus 35, and 7 plus 35 is nothing but a 42, and we will get here 2 ones are 2 21s are. So 13 multiply by 21, 13 ones are 13, carry 1, 13 twos are 26 plus 1 27. So we got here S13, that is sum of total 13 term is equal to 273. In third problem, they have given A12 is equal to 37. The value of D given 3. Find A and S12. This problem is same to this second. Only what is the change? Here D given and A we have to find. There A given, D we have to find. So same way we will apply here. That is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is an? माने S12. Okay. Sorry, here we are going to write S12 is equal to 37. What is the formula for S12? Sorry, A12. Very sorry. A12 is equal to 37. And what is the formula for A12? Is nothing but A plus 11D, which is equal to 37. A plus 11 into the value of a D is a 3, which is equal to 37, means A plus 33 is equal to 37. So here A is equal to 37 minus 33 is A is equal to 4. Now we got here the value of A, which is equal to 4. Now we have to find S12. S12 means we can write the formula first. Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus An. Okay. S12 we have to find. We will get here 12 divided by 2 means n is equal to 12, and here A we got as 4 and An mane A12 value they have given already, that is nothing but 37. So 2 ones are 2 6 are 6. 4 plus here I will write the value of A12, which is equal to 37. So what we will get 6 into, that is 41. 4 plus 37 is 41. 6 ones are 6 and 6 fours are 24. So we got here S12, that is the 246. Fourth problem, they have given A3, that is third one, which is equal to 15, and S10 they have given as 125, and from here we have to find D and A10. Okay. So what we will get here, A3 given, A3 is equal to 15, means A3 means A plus 2D is equal to 15. Okay. Here I don't know the value of A also and D also. What we will write here, A we will write in terms of a D, that is 15 minus 2D. This is the value of a we will get here, and we will call this equation as a 1. Now here they have given S10, which is equal to 125. Okay. Now S10 means Sn formula what is here, as n by 2 in the bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So here they have given S10. S10 means 10 by 2. Okay. The value of A is nothing but 2 in the which we had formed 15 minus 2D. Okay. A we got in terms of a D, 15 minus 2D, 12D, and we call this as a equation 1. Okay. It is not a 12D, sorry, that is 15 minus 2D. And S10 they had given as a 125. Sn formula is n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D, that we have to write. S10 which is equal to 10 by 2. Here 2, what's the value of A we got? 15 minus 2D, right? And here the value of n is 10. 10 means 10 minus 1 and D value we don't know. S10 we are having, that is 125, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 fives are, here is a 5 we will get. Now here we have to multiply this bracket by 2. 15 twos are 30 minus 4D. Okay, and 10 minus 1 is a 9D. Okay, so what we will get here, we will shift this 5 to here, means 125 divided by 5, which is equal to, here we will get 30 plus 5D, because minus 4D plus 9D is nothing but 5D. Here 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25, means 25 5s are 125, which is equal to 30 plus 5D. We have to find the value of D. We will shift here 30. 30 means 25 minus 30, which is equal to 5D, and we will get minus 5 is equal to 5D, and the value of a D is equal to minus 1. Minus 5 divided by 5 is nothing but minus 1. Here we got the value of a D is equal to minus 1. This we will substitute in equation 1. Now you will say ki why we will shift in the equation 1, because from here we will get the value of a. Okay, so what is the value of a, which is equal to 15 minus 2 into minus 1. So a is equal to 15 minus into minus is a plus 2. So the value of a is a 17. Okay, now the value of a is a 17, but we have to find a10 also. A10 formula, tell me here, a plus 9d. The value of a is a 17 plus the value of a d is a minus 1. So we will get 17 plus into minus is minus 9, and 17 minus 9 is nothing but 8. And so we will get the value of a10, which is equal to 8. Fifth, d given 5, Sn given 75. We have to find the value of a and a9. So Sn formula we will write here, because from the Sn only we will get. Okay, Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We will substitute here, n is equal to 9. Why? Because S9 they have given. S9 is equal to 9 by 2 2a plus 9 minus 1. What is the value of d? 5. So S9 is nothing but 75, which is equal to 9 by 2. You keep as it is. Here what we will get here, that is 2a as it is. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 5s are 40. Okay. Now what we have to do here, 75, it is not divisible by this 9 by 2 if we will shift. So what we will do here, 9 by 2 we will write as it is. Are you find 2a plus 40? From here 2 is common, and we will get here a plus 20. Okay, this 2 will cancel, and here what we will get here, 75 is equal to 9. In the bracket what we will get here, a plus 20, right? Now we will multiply this 75, which is equal to 9a plus 9 2s are 80. Okay, now we will shift here, 75 minus 180, which is equal to 9a. Now what we will get here, minus 105, which is equal to 9a, and we will get minus 105 divided by 9, which is equal to a. What we will get the value of a, which is equal to minus 105 divided by 9. It is divisible by also as a 3. Okay, so a we will get as a 3 3s are 9, and 3 5s are 15, and 3 3s are 9. 35 by 3. We have to find the value of a9. A9 is nothing but a plus 8d. Okay, a we have find minus 35 by 3 plus 8, and the value of a d they have given as a 5. Okay, so here we will get as a minus 35 by 3. 8 5s are 40 divided by 1. So what we will do here, a9. Okay, we have to find minus 35. LCM is a 3. 4 3s are 12. Okay, means 120 divided by 3. What we will get, a9, which is equal to, now we will do the subtraction. 10 minus 5 is a 5, and here is a 11, and 11 minus 3 is nothing but 8. 85 by 3. So what is the value of a9? We will get 85 by 3. Sixth problem given, a is equal to 2, d is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90, and here we have to find the value of n and an. Okay, Sn given means we have to write the formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here they have given Sn, not the special value of S20 or S30. That's why we have to write this formula only, and we will get 90 is equal to n by 2. Okay, what is the value of a? That is a 2. 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, keep as it is, because we don't know the value of n, and the value of a d is 8. Okay, so what we will get here, 90, which is equal to n by 2. Here we will get 2 2s are 4 plus. Now multiply this, because here we have to multiply by 8. You will get 8n minus 8. Okay, 90, which is equal to n by 2 in the bracket. Now 8n keep as it is, and 4 minus 8 is nothing but minus 4. So 90 is equal to n by 2. can we take out 2 is a common from here, means it is easy to cancel these 2. So here you will get 4n minus 2. Okay, this will be cancelled and you will get 90 is equal to n into 4n minus 2. So obviously you will get 4n square minus 2n. Okay. Can we do here? We will shift 90 here. You are finding 4n square minus 2n minus 90 which is equal to 0. This whole equation you have to divide by 2. What you will get 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. Are you finding this is a quadratic equation? It is in terms of quadratic. Means here you want sum is equal to minus 1 and you want the product 45 to the 90. Means that is product you want here minus 90. Means tell me the two terms which you will get as a sum is minus 1. 10 nines are 90. Okay, can we write here 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. So we will take in a bracket 2n square minus 10n in first bracket, then 9n minus 45 in second bracket. So from this, what is a common? 2n is a common, you will get n minus 5 and plus from here 9 is a common, n minus 5 which is equal to 0. Is it? This is a common, n minus 5 is a common and here is a 2n plus 9 which is equal to 0. N minus 5 in first bracket and second bracket 2n plus 1 is equal to 0 because we got these are the two factors of a quadratic polynomial. We are going to equate with the 0 and or 2n plus n is equal to 0. N is equal to 5 and here we will get as n is equal to minus 9 by 2 if we will solve this. And everyone know number of terms when we are saying and it is always a positive integer already I told. So here this minus n by 2 we will neglect. So we got here n value which is equal to 5. We will consider this. Okay. So here what we have to find again in the 6, that find n and an. We have to find an. Okay. An means n is equal to 5 means here we can say here an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an means a5 we have to find here. a5 means you will get formula for a5 is a plus 4d. And what is the value of a given? 2 and d is a 8. This is a 2 and d is given as a 8. So we will get as a 2 plus 8 4 32. Okay. So 32 plus 2 is nothing but 34. So a5 they have asked an. And an we have taken as a5 because number of terms we got the 5. Okay, next 6th. In 7th problem they have given a is equal to 8. An is equal to 62, Sn is equal to 210. So we have to find n and d. Now everyone know here Sn formula in terms of a plus an is n by 2 a plus an. Out of these 4 variables, 3 we know. That is the value of 3 we know, that is Sn 210. And we don't know. And what is the value of a? Is 8 and this is a 62. Okay. This is 62 210 which is equal to n by 2. 8 plus 62 means 70 and we will get here 210 which is equal to 2 ones are 2 35s are and 35 into n. 210 is equal to 35n. So we will say 210 divided by 35 which is equal to n. So 35 into, if I will do as a 4. Okay. So what we will do, 4 3s are 12, it will not give. 6 5s are 30, carry 3. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. Means this we will get as a 6. So the value of n we got here as a 6. That is a positive integer. Here we have to find as a d also. Okay. An we are having the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. And what is the value of an? N we got 6. Means what is the formula for a6? A6 is nothing but, tell me here, A plus 5D. AN value we are knowing as a 62. You can write here as a 60. Okay, A6 we are going to write. This they have given as a 62, which is equal to, what is the value of A? Is a 8 plus 5D, because we have to find the value of a D. Here we will shift here, that is 62 minus 8, which is equal to, yes, tell me here is a 5D. 12 minus 8 is a 4, and this is a 54, which is equal to 5D. So the value of a D we will get 54 divided by 5. Listen carefully. The value of a D can be a positive, can be a negative, 0 also, and fraction also. Given the here AN is equal to 4, D is equal to 2, SN is equal to minus 14. Here we have to find the value of N and A. You will think before which we had done in the 7th problem, same way we will proceed, but not. Here A not given. That's why we have to use first the formula for AN. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here we will substitute the value of AN, that is 4, which is equal to A, keep as it is, plus N minus 1 into 2. 2 is in the bracket, because here both the values we don't know. 4 is equal to A plus 2N minus 2. 2 we will shift here. We will get 4 plus 2 is equal to A plus 2N. That is 6. Okay, A plus 2N. We will find the value of A in terms of N. Means we will shift 2N here. So 6 minus 2N, and we will call this as a 1. Now we are having the value of S. The formula for Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus AN. Why I have used this formula? Because the value of Sn I know, which is given minus 14. N I don't know, and the value of A, which we had find just, that is 6 minus 2N, and the value of AN is nothing but also given, that is 4. So from here minus 14, which is equal to N by 2. 6 plus 4 is a 10 minus 2N. What I will do here again, tell me here, N by 2. Can we take out the 2 common? Yes. What you will get? 5 minus N. Right? 2 will cancel. Here is a minus 14. Minus 14 is equal to, this is a 5N. Multiply this bracket by N. 5N minus N square. Now these all terms we will shift here to left hand side. Why? Because we want the sign of N square is always positive. N square minus 5N minus 14 we will keep as it is left hand side. That's why we are not going to change their sign. Only we will change their sign. Okay. Here again you are finding it is a quadratic. Means here you want sum is minus 5 and product is a minus 14. Can you tell two numbers? 7 2s are 14, means N square minus 7N plus 2N minus 14 is equal to 0. Okay. So here again grouping N square minus 7N in first bracket. Here is a plus. There is a no change in the sign. In the bracket 2N minus 14, which is equal to 0. N is a common, N minus 7. Here is a 2 common, N minus 7, which is equal to 0. What you are finding here? N minus 7 in first bracket, and in second bracket N plus 2, which is equal to 0. We are equating, these are the two factors of this quadratic polynomial. N minus 7 is equal to 0 or N plus 2 is equal to 0. So N is equal to 7 or N is equal to minus 2. Here we got the two values of N, and which value we will take? We will take the positive integer. That's why we will take the value of N is equal to 7. So we got number of terms N is equal to 7, and we will substitute these in equation 1. Why? Because we have to find the value of A. A is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7, and A is equal to 6 minus 14, and 6 minus 14 is nothing but a minus 8. So first term we got here as a minus 8. Okay. Ninth problem. Okay, what it is given? A is equal to 3, N is equal to 8. And S means Sn, sum of the term 192, we have to find D. In the Sn formula, D it will come in these formula only. n by 2 2a in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 1 Sn value is 192, n is equal to 8, 8 by 2, 2 into the value of a is a 3 plus 8 minus 1 into d, because we have to find d. 192 which is equal to, this is a 4, 3 2s are 6 plus this is 8 minus 1 means 7d. Okay, this we will shift. 192, this is in multiplication, so it will go as a division. 6 plus 7d. So 4 4s are 16 and 19 minus 16 means 3. Okay, and 32. 4 8s are 32 which is equal to 6 plus 7d. We will solve this. 48 minus 6 which is equal to 7d. What we will get here? 42 which is equal to 7d. 42 divided by 7 which is equal to d. So d is equal to 7. 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, and we got here the value of a d is 6, which we have to find. In 10th problem they have given L, that is 28. L means last term, that is an. S means Sn 144 and n is equal to 9, and here we have to find the value of a. Same to the 9. In the 9th we have to find d, we have find d, here we have to find a. So Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. We will use the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n. An it can be written as a last term. Okay, Sn we are knowing as a 144 which is equal to, the value of n is 9 by 2, a is we have to find, and what is the value of L? That is 28. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we will shift here as a 2. Okay, what we will get here? 142, 144, that is this is in multiplication, which is equal to 9 in the bracket a plus 28. Okay, or directly also we can do in this way. 144 multiplied by 2 by 9. In this way also we can do, right? Everyone know this? As whether it is divisible by 9, 9 ones are 9. Yes, 144 is divisible by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, and we will get 16 into 2 which is equal to a plus 28. 16 2s are 32 which is equal to a plus 28. We have to find the value of a. We will shift 32 minus 28 which is equal to a. So value of a we got here the 4. And here the question number 3, which are having total 10 problems completed. Jai Gurudev.